Hey everybody, this is Dustin Terry Specialist. So today I'm looking at an older Solitude by Grand Design. It's a 2016, and want to point out just an issue, not that it's a factory issue by any means, but it's something that we continue to keep seeing here and there. And so we don't really know what's actually causing it, other than maybe too much, sway in the back end of the coach. So we don't know if it's somebody going in and out of a driveway like really hard and it bouncing, or if they've ever, stopped hard, or if there was slide out was an issue or something shook the wall. But what we continue to see is the J metal skirting will notch out on the side and it will indent. And then like in this one, and I haven't had Terry do the shake test yet, but all the welds are broke loose from all the studs. They're literally torn loose on it. So let's see if I can get in there a little bit better. So they're all completely ripped loose. You can see that one. Hey Terry, would you mind? And then that screw sheared off. Go ahead and do your wiggle test. So as you can see, these tubes moving. Do it one more time on this side so I can catch it from a different view. So these whole walls are basically flexing when the coach is going down the road. And again, the side-to-side motion. So I'm going to reach out to the factory and just let them know that maybe they've already taken care of this on newer models and let them fix. We've seen it on some new models, but we don't know if it's an issue where, it's a consumer driving it too hard, if it's just because the coaches are so long and so big. So if you're watching this, be mindful about going in and out of hard places, tight places. Watch your speeds, watch the shaking of the coach. I'm going to catch over here on this other side. And so you can see he's pulling this skirting down. I'm trying to get the license plate in here. The tattletale, though, is this metal will kick out and either indent in or indent outward. And so when the guys were moving it here around the lot, backing it over into the shop, that's when they seen it doing this number. They seen the whole tail end of this thing shaking. So he's getting ready to pull this sheet off, so we'll just stay here recording for a second. And then this is Terry. Terry does pretty much everything here, California RV. He does all the paint and body, does all the flooring, interior remodeling, decals, body issues, frame stuff, all your normal everyday things that an RV tech would do, except for like some of the stuff, like I said, he specializes in is the paint and body repairs that we have come in, and then he specializes in the floors. I guess that's just stuff you love to do, right, Terry?
Yeah. I just look forward to it every day.
It's good to wake up and want to come to work and not have a place that's stressful and, that cares and do what we got to do. And now you can see that dent a lot more. See how that's kicked out right there.